Hey everybody, it's Chris Gorman with Gorman Residential and Keller Williams Preferred Realty. Today I'm going to tell you the 3 areas of home improvement where you get the most bang for your buck when it comes time to sell your home. Alright, so there's a lot of things that you can do to your home or places that you can put money where you will not likely get either that money back or profit on that investment. There's a lot of places, I'll name a few. Pools, in-ground pools, backyard patios, upgraded hardwood floors, for instance, going from like an oak floor to Brazilian cherry or something along those lines, not likely to get that money back. Special features like heated tile floors or upgraded lighting. These are all places that you could spend money for personalization and enjoyment, but not likely to get that money back when it comes time to sell. So 3 things that you can do though to improve the value of your home. First and foremost, the best place to spend money in terms of upgrades is, as you probably know, kitchens and bathrooms. So if you're going to renovate your kitchen or bathroom, take time to learn the current trends and styles. For instance, there's this new trend of blue cabinets, navy blue cabinets, for instance, a motif that you might see in HGTV magazine, which isn't a bad place to look for style ideas, but white shaker cabinets around the perimeter of the kitchen. If you have an island, a lot of people are doing navy blue islands, white quartz countertops across all of the counters, and then either stainless steel appliances or black stainless steel is coming into style. Those are some ideas. And then same kind of thing in the bathroom. Just pay attention to style trends and use HGTV magazine or other magazines like that to get some ideas. But kitchens and bathrooms are a great place to spend money if you want an upgrade. Now, be careful not to make it inconsistent with the rest of the home in terms of style. You wouldn't want it to stick out like a sore thumb. It has to maintain continuity with the rest of the home, so just keep that in mind. A couple other things. Adding square footage, also a great idea if you can to add value to your home. You'll most likely get that money back if you finish unfinished spaces. So we're talking about unfinished attics or unfinished basements, going ahead and finishing those spaces off. A couple things to watch out for if you do that. First of all, make sure all proper permits are pulled. Most likely you're going to be using a contractor and he'll do that for you, but certainly ask and make sure that permits are pulled for that additional space. And then when it comes to finishes, you want to stick with the quality of the rest of the home. So you wouldn't want that new space to be subpar in terms of the quality of finish as the rest of the home, in order to make sure that you've got, again, continuity throughout the entire home and you're maximizing your value there. Last but not least, of course, roofs and HVAC units. If they're older, they need replacement. A new roof or a new HVAC can certainly increase the value of your home, especially when it comes to if you're competing with similar homes that don't have those features. Those things an appraiser will definitely give value to. So a couple of ideas if you're looking to spend money to improve your home this year, where you can maximize your investment, or certainly at least hope to expect to get that money back when it comes time to sell. Hope this was helpful, and if you need anything, always reach us at 919-670-3005 or email Chris at gormanresidential.com. Thanks and have a great day.